Good day, I'm Tamara McHale, and this is your JIS News for Monday, February 8. Motorists traveling into downtown Kingston along East Avenue and Harbour Street will soon enjoy greater ease and a 30% improvement in travel time. Transport and Works Minister Dr. Omar Davies signed a $20.5 million contract last Friday for the corridor to be upgraded.
Through this contract signing, we'll be achieving the following at the end of 14 months. Widening of approximately 2.5 kilometers of the roadway between East Avenue and Harbour Street. This will see the number of lanes moving from 4 to 6.
The realigned corridor will have sidewalks installed on both sides of the road. The work will also include installing pedestrian facilities at 7 traffic signals and drainage improvement. Dr. Davies says the reduction of traffic and conflict points on the roads will increase safety. 3 new fire trucks have been added to the Jamaica Fire Brigade's fleet. The units, which cost $1.36 million, were officially handed over last week by local government and community development minister Noel Arscott. They will be deployed to the corporate area, St. James and St. Anne.
These units, ladies and gentlemen, will serve to burnish the already positive reputation that the Jamaica Fire Brigade has for its constancy of purpose and an unswerving sense of duty.
Minister Arscott said a fireboat had also been ordered for the fire brigade. Industry Minister Anthony Hilton is insisting that Jamaica must make greater use of cold chain logistics technology to generate more exports. Cold chain refers to the management of temperature-sensitive products as they move through a particular supply chain. Minister Hilton says cold chain logistics is becoming more important to countries owing to the huge and increasing demand for agricultural products, manufactured foods, chemicals, and medical vaccines.
Cold chain logistics is considered as a huge competitive advantage because it extends product shelf life, thereby giving the suppliers the ability to access overseas markets and also to meet local demand for similar products from overseas.
The minister was addressing a recent forum on cold chain logistics. Research has started on the creative industry's impact on the local economy. The National Cultural and Creative Industries Commission staged a one-day research symposium at the UWI's Mona Visitors Lodge on Friday. Dozens of cultural practitioners participated in the symposium, providing data on the creative economy. Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton, who represented the Prime Minister, said government needed the data to grow a high-value and value-adding creative sector.
Our bilateral and multilateral partners also require more and better data in order to justify their assistance with projects and programs. Our local financial institutions also require economic data to be able to provide financial services for their cultural and creative industry customers.
The one-day symposium was a key move to advance government's policy agenda and strengthen the impact of the cultural and creative industries on national development. And finally, the National Registry of Entertainment Practitioners is expected to be launched early this year. More than 351 individuals and 45 companies have signed up with the registry since the responsible unit was opened in the Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment more than a year ago. The Industry Ministry through JAMPRO also holds a Creative Industries unit, and the Portfolio Minister says that registry will add to the array of offerings in the local creative sector.
2016 is already shaping up to be an exciting year for cultural and creative industries. We are now in the midst of Reggae Month. This will be the first celebration of Reggae Month since Kingston's designation as a creative music city.
The entertainment registry is open to all creative practitioners in various sectors, including dance, film, fashion, music, and the visual and performing arts. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.